I'm Brian Waldrop with the Cannon Severe Weather here for a winter weather update. Looking over here at our maps today, we have a bunch of snow about to come in our direction, coming up through Alabama, across the Tennessee-Alabama state line, moving northeast towards Cannon County, and also Warren County over here, Van Buren County, up towards Sparta. This whole area here, over here, you can see is under a winter storm warning beginning at 6 p.m. today. And then looking at our snow possibilities, we could see up to 3 to 4 inches of snow down in southern Cannon County. And then as you go more north and more east, you can see we'll have also 3 to 4 inches of snow. And we might even have around 2 inches of snow over in eastern Warren County, over on the plateau. This whole strip where you see the darker blues, this is where the greater snowfall is possible. However, if we have a lot of sleet to mix in there, that will cut back on our snow totals. Taking a look over here now at our temperature map across the mid-state, you see here we have sub-freezing temperatures in all of Middle Tennessee. And then when you get up to the plateau and go more east, we're above freezing. But over here where the snow's moving in, we're all sub-freezing. We have been sub-freezing all day here in Cannon County, and we're sub-freezing up around Cookeville right now. Up here at the weather station here in Iconium, Cannon County, you will see that we have 26 degrees. And we'll look over here towards our regional map, and you see down here we have a whole bunch of precipitation moving up into Middle Tennessee. All of this is coming to us tonight. So that's our update for right now. Everybody be safe. Stay away from the trees because they are still icy. They can collapse. Stay away from the trees. Do not park under trees. And let's hope that we get all snow or sleet this time around. Thank you.